This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Chava movie drawing. First, observe your reference image closely to grasp the character's unique personality and key visual traits. Then, start by lightly sketching the fundamental geometric shapes that form the character's head and body. These initial shapes will serve as your foundational framework, ensuring correct proportions and dynamic posing from the very beginning of your artwork. This method helps build a solid base. Now, build upon your basic shapes by adding more specific anatomical details, such as the curve of the jawline or the structure of the limbs. Focus on bringing out the character's unique silhouette. Next, carefully refine the facial features, ensuring they convey the desired emotion. Pay attention to the flow of hair and the natural drape of clothing, adding subtle folds and wrinkles to enhance realism and depth in your drawing. With your lines established, it's time to introduce shading to give your Chava drawing a three-dimensional quality. Identify your primary light source and apply shadows accordingly, creating contrast and depth. Use various pencil pressures or digital brushes to achieve different tones, from light grays to deep blacks. This process helps define the character's form and makes them appear more grounded and realistic within their environment. For the final touches, step back and critically evaluate your Chava drawing. Look for any areas that might need adjustment, such as proportion issues or uneven shading. Strengthen your highlights and deepen your darkest shadows to really make the character pop off the page. A strong contrast can dramatically improve the overall visual appeal. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.